In this video, we will go over some of the basics of using the 3CX mobile app. Besides making calls, through this interface you can also view the status of colleagues, check call history, send chat messages, check voicemails, etc. If you have not already done so, install the app from the Google Play Store. After downloading the app, go ahead and agree to the license agreement. Then we will scan the QR code, and this will be found on the welcome email that has been sent to you. Then, once that is scanned, go ahead and just click on Call Echo Service to test the inbound outbound audio. After doing that, the mobile app now has your extension configured and it's ready to go. Notice in the upper right hand corner, the little box is green. So now we'll just cover some of the different options available here. So starting from the far left, we have the status. So as you can see, there's another extension, also 102, that is available. Click on the three little dots to the far right. I can chat, send an email to extension, or add to favorites. Then I have my contacts. Now, here it asks if you want to allow 3CX to access your personal contacts. You may want to deny that if you want to keep your personal and your work contacts separate. So I'm going to deny this one here. So you will only see your business contacts listed here. Keep those separate. But if you'd like to add, you can click on the plus, fill out the information here, and then save it. Now if you want to add it to share, make it a company contact and you have the rights, you can just enable it there on the bottom and it will save it so that everyone can access it as well. The main keypad is here, and then your history on the next one is the recents. You can see all inbound, outbound calls, and you can add them to your phone book as well, or just delete them from here if you'd like. Here's your chat. I can go ahead and chat with an individual. I can also add attachments if needed, or take a picture and send it as well. Pretty straightforward here. And then your voicemail. You can download your message here and listen to it play. In the upper left corner, we can click on the three little lines and you have some settings and options here. You can also schedule a meeting if you'd like to do that. You have the date and time, PIN number. You can add your contacts that you want to add to your meeting here. As needed. And then you can select your calendar or have it added to your Outlook if you have Outlook configured on here. And you can add the event then into your Outlook and set reminders and other options as well if you like to do that. You have settings here, for example, the account. You can manage your account here. If you hold down the account, you have the option to deactivate it or delete it. Depending on the version of your Android phone, if you close out of the app and it still rings when calls come in, you can deactivate the account, and that way for sure the calls will not ring on the mobile app. But if you close out of the app and you don't have that issue, then there really is no need to deactivate the account. But when you deactivate the account, you'll notice that the green square in the upper right disappears, but when you reactivate it, it goes back to green. And then you have some audio options. Put it in silent mode here so you don't have the app ringing. You can go ahead and set that on here as well. If you need to scan the QR code again, if you accidentally remove the account from your app, you can go ahead and just scan your email again, that QR code, and you'll be able to set your app back up. So that is it. If you need any additional help with using the app or have any questions, go ahead and feel free to call NetServ support at 714-617-7119. As always, thank you for your business and have a great day.